Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify contact form email address. This is particularly useful when you want customer inquiries to go to a different email, whether you're updating your business email or directing messages to a specific team member. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with admin access, as only administrators can modify these types of settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to the central hub where you can configure all your store's settings. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice another menu on the left side. Here you need to locate and click on Notifications. This section controls all the email communications your store sends out, including order confirmations, shipping updates, and contact form responses. Now you should see a field labeled Sender Email. This is the email address that currently receives messages from your contact form. Click on this field to edit it, then type in the new email address you want to use. Once you've entered the new email, press the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm the change. After that, look toward the top of the page and click the Save button. This ensures your new email address is stored in the system. Here's where you'll need to pause for a moment. Shopify requires verification before the new email becomes active, so the changes won't take effect immediately. Head over to the inbox of the new email address you just entered. Check for a message from Shopify. It should arrive within a few minutes. Open that email and look for a button or link that says Verify Email. Click on it to confirm that you have access to this email account. After clicking the verification link, Shopify will redirect you to a confirmation page showing that your email has been successfully verified and changed. This means your contact form will now send messages to your new email address. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Shopify contact form email address and verified it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.